Once again, I want to welcome you back to this video series. Here, we said in this video we shall look at how to realign this button here and also give it a bit of style. So this is what we shall do. We shall come here and try to grab it. So we shall have another component which is called align. So inside align has only one child, so we shall supply our button as the child. But before, we shall override it and we'll try to say alignment. We shall align. So we shall align like alignment B to bottom center, bottom left, bottom right, center left. So we shall align to the center left. So when I do that, you will be seeing center left. But what happens when I say center right? Center right, the other side. Perfect. So that is simply how you can align. Maybe a bonus. Still in our button here, you can also have a bit of style. And also I shall say a button elevated button style. Elevated button dot style form. Inside in here we shall have maybe background color. Let's say green because we use the green, and as well we can have a bit of padding. I say all edge dot inset or edge insets dot. Another time we use the all for all. But for this case, we shall use symmetric to be a bit specific. Horizontally, we shall need we shall need, let's say, 35, and then vertically we shall need, let's say 30. Okay, let us try to see. Boom! It looks really weird. Yeah. Okay, let us have for vertical. Let us have a bit 10. I just have 10 for vertical. Yeah, and as well we shall come to our text here and we try to add more with text style. We shall say color will be white color, and colors dot white, colors dot white. Perfect. Then font weight we shall say bold. Want it bold, and we say font size. It will be kind of 25 will be enough. Let's try that and see. Boom. So there we go. We have our login button. As well, you can go along and style it more than that. Last time in the other video we looked at the anonymous function, but as well you can define your own function. For example, you can define it anywhere. You can define it within the class or outside the class. For example, I could say void login help, void login. It's gonna be our function for logging in. Okay, login function, or I can call it authentication. Because it's conflicting. Authentication. Perfect. So within authentication, I would supply maybe some parameters, but I will leave it for now. I would say print login succeeded like that. We shall terminate. So after that, instead of using an anonymous function here, I would rather say I want to use it, and I say I will call my authentication. I don't know how to remember the casing I used. Authentication. Perfect. So when I save, I will show the console back. When I tap to login here, to say login succeeded. Login succeeded. Yeah, that means our function is really working. So try on your own and see whether slowly but slowly you can come up with something like that. As well, you can add more style and try to practice, as practice makes perfect. Okay, I wish you a nice day. Let us meet in the last video where I'm going to present you the task to work on in free time. But before we actually close, I want us to, here we have a lot of code. Which makes our work look a bit vegetable. Yeah, so we shall create here another file. We shall name it login. Boom, empty. So what we do, we shall copy all of this code here. Perfect. Shall copy code there and put it straight here. I'll go for the import. I'll bring the import here. I'll put the import there so as to eliminate the errors. So here it's necessary. So the login is to be imported. So I will import the login, and this is how I will do say package, but this time around it's not package Flutter and all that. To be package my app. Inside my app it will be login. Perfect. So when I going to run, let's be always go. Okay, we have an error. This function had to be also brought inside, or maybe create another function here and we name it another file, and we say we name it auth, where we shall have our authentication. So I will come in here and I will import package my app, then auth, that will disappear. So we have 3 files. If we have more functions, we shall be adding them right there. So we shall try to save, and no errors this time around. Our app works. Oh no, we need to say it's very big change. You shall need to restart the app. It's been restarted. Let's see. Login succeeded. So guys, that's how we maintain a clean code. And so I want to present to you a very simple task in another video, which will be the last video, and which will mark the end of this series. Once again, thank you for watching and following along. Hope it's been resourceful. You have learned something. Yeah, so you can show me love by liking, subscribing, and commenting. If any questions, they will be addressed in maybe another series of videos. Thank you again. Have a good day.